Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Blade A51 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So open first the Gmail app, and to log out from the Gmail application we should first log out from the Google account on our device. And to do that, tap on the right upper corner, click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and click remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove account. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Confirm your pattern or PIN code if you use some product methods. And now in Google accounts we just successfully log out from the Gmail. So let's go back to the Gmail application and we could see that we also here successfully log out from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.